Welcome back, everyone. And we're going to have our first panel discussion now. I'm actually going to moderate the panel, and the general topic is ensuring scarcity of supply and strategies for meeting anticipated increase in demand.
It's come up a few times as well, is that probably for some time there hasn't been a lot of reinvestment in new projects. So I'm sort of really just talking from a projects perspective. I know there's other opportunities to secure your supply with secondary production or byproducts, and also recycling initiatives. But I think it's been left too long for companies to sort of build any sort of strategies, just given that they've relied on China for so long. And the last time any sort of real strategic project had investment was in 2009, and they're in production around sort of 2011, and they've been quite successful this year. I won't mention who they are.
Supply chains are at risk of supply disruptions due to transport.
We see a tremendous increase in demand, and that demand for permanent magnets will only increase in the next, at least in the next decade.
I think from the downstream perspective, Near, it's absolutely not anymore the case that if you have a contract in which you hope you have a long-term commitment and a foreseeable stable price, that's the truth. If you're looking at rare earth, we have a very complicated supply and value chain indeed. Most of the companies and countries also involved, they are very dependent on the import of the material. So apart from that contract, which is important, surely, to keep that vertical integration intact and stable, a lot of stakeholders have to communicate in a very good way with each other, and the financing industry has to support and see that there is a potential to diversify the existing situation. So I think that wraps it for me a little bit up with everybody saying, if you add the ESG perspective to that, it is a very challenging market, surely, but it's also offers a very big chance, because adding such a high standard, transparent value chain to the situation which is there already also offers a high degree of trust and a potentially very high quality product along that value chain. So there's a big need in the market. There is know-how in the market, and it can be capitalized. And I think it's a great challenge that we have in front of us.
Great, thank you.